Hi, I'm Leanne Robers, and I'm here today to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z series. Samsung's always thinking about creating shortcuts and making your use of your Galaxy Z series as smooth as possible. So in this episode, we're going to talk about how to utilize full screen gestures and swipes to make the best and fastest use of your phone. The first we'll cover is lift to wake. It turns the screen on when you pick up your phone. If you want to turn your screen on, all you have to do is double tap, and this turns your screen on quickly. If you want to turn your screen off, all you have to do is double tap, and it turns it back off. Another way to turn off your screen is to just do a palm touch, and your screen is turned off. For uninterrupted viewing or reading, remember to activate the Keep Screen On While Viewing function. Turn on Smart Alert. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a message. Mute with gestures. Mute incoming calls by placing your hand over the screen or by turning your phone face down. Finger sensor gestures. Open and close apps and features with the fingerprint sensor. Palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. You can also take a screenshot by pressing the power button and the lower part of the volume button at the same time to take a screenshot. Because of its large screen, different people use the keyboard differently. Samsung has you covered. You can use the keyboard in multiple ways. So there are 3 different ways you can use the standard, split, or floating keyboard. The navigation bar. You can customize your navigation bar that appears at the bottom of your phone screen to make it easier to get around the phone settings and app. All you have to do is go to Settings, select Display, button position right, left, or center. All of these are easily turned on and off, really giving you the experience that you want.